table 12 reads. Table 12 reads, colon, sa imong pagbiya. So, table 12 is reading sa imong pagbiya. This is our first straight play.
Kinahanglan ba yun nga naa sila din?
Oh,
So, ikaw nang imbita. Okay?
Tanan ning trabaho wa ko ningon nga di ko maayo ani.
Elsa tries to walk away from Emmet, but Emmet stops her.
Kasi, kasi may tabo.
pwede ba? Hinay-hinaya pa rin yung pagkachismoso.
Ingon si Pontius Pilato.
But she cannot.
Alright, man. You're being overly dramatic.
Me? I'm being overly dramatic?
Ang kinatumyan sa mga malas na kayang ihatag sa kalibutan. As they say, this is rock bottom.
When you look at IAUP, it has a lot of settings, has different time. Kani siya mo siya bubble. When you're inside a bubble, isolated.
Pwede ba? Ay, natulog.
I'm sorry.
Lakaw! Pagtunin mo ako masayan ngayon, anig ka. Muli kayo mga pangutana. Sige, padayon na.
Narapod na yung bitter na tubag. Kung lagi, bukuha akong cellphone. Aron ka malipay, okay? Basta dili lang karon. I'm having a bad day.
I just want my freedom. Justisya ko na kagawasan, di ba? You plan to come back once you come back.
Come back.
In all those emotions, in that span of time, inside that bubble, basically that's the idea.
Fully booked.
Huwag nga nilantaw.
Miss, di ko buta. Nagkapasa ko reading, writing, arithmetic sa amo.
Ayog English ha, parihara tag eskwelahan.
My fearless, gentle friend. You were a loving brother with a fragile soul.
How do you want to end it?
I want her to live.
Emmet recalls what happened.